It's the Bilingual Bear Flashcard quiz. Sentences. Complete the sentence with the flashcard word. Wait for the correct answer. And don't forget to practice your pronunciation. Let's go! We flew on the airplane. Airplane. Sydney talked to the pilot. Pilot. We need to call an ambulance. Ambulance. Michael is going to the hospital. Hospital. Do you want to take the bus? Bus. Let's wait at the bus stop. Bus stop. Johnny rides on a motorcycle. Motorcycle. Johnny doesn't have a car. Car. We just passed the fire station. Fire station. Did you see the fire truck? Fire truck. Kate is waiting for a taxi. Taxi. She is going to the post office. Post office. Do you hear the train? Train. It just came out of the tunnel. Tunnel. My sister works at the library. Library. She is the librarian. Librarian. Great job! Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And don't forget to check out some of our other videos. See you next time.